how to go live on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna learn how we can go live on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to go live on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your Facebook application. After you do that, make sure to just tap the plus icon that you can see from the very top right hand side, and then here you'll find different sorts of interface where you can simply select the option called live. And once you find the live option over here, you can just go ahead and then allow the access for your camera as well as also the microphone here. And once you've allowed both of these permissions, you can come back here and then tap the plus icon, go to live, and then you will be able to go live on Facebook. This way you'll be able to go live on Facebook. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.